improve. So B12 and D3 both are low. Okay.
Ikkita vitamin ham B12 bor, D3 bor. Ikkalasi ham past ekan. Bu narsa dorilar bilan yaxshilanadigan narsa.
Our liver function is normal. Our blood tests are normal.
Qon analizlari yaxshi.
Okay, his hemoglobin, everything is normal from there. Okay. So from blood test, we only got that his vitamin levels are lower.
Qon analizlaridan faqat bitta ma'lumot chiqdi, vitaminlari kam ekan.
Now we come to the EEG, the one which we did, so that when we put those electrodes and tested. So that is showing seizures. I will show you. You are seeing these areas? This is a seizure in the brain. So these are the epileptic fits which are happening in the brain. You are seeing this. But carbamazepine is not a good drug for him. So we are not going to give carbamazepine to him. So we'll change few of his medicines for this. Okay. So his brain is showing these discharges which are generalized coming from more from the left side as compared to right side of the brain.
Bu narsalarning o'zgarishi ko'proq boshning ham chap tarafidan kelayotgan ekan, o'ng tarafdan emas.
Bizda o'ng taraf deydi-ku, o'ng tomon susligi uchun.
There in local place they used to say this is from the right side of the brain because right side weakness is there. Right side for the left side or left side
yes,
for the
it is opposite
left
side. It is opposite side, not the same side.
Teskarisi, miyani chap tarafi o'ng tarafiga, o'ng tarafi chap tarafiga.
So it's totally different. It is not that it will happen in the same side.
Bu degani masalan bitta tarafda bo'ldi, shu tarafdan bu tarafga degani emas. Chunki chap funksiyasi o'ngga, o'ngniki chapga ekan.
So I will show you there are certain changes in the brain also.
Bosh miyada ham o'zgarishlar bor, uni ham ko'rsataman.
Now this is the scan of the brain. Okay.
Bu boshni skaneri o'sha MRT.
So during development, his part of the brain is not working properly.
Rivojlanish jarayonida, mana bu qora joylarni ko'ryapsizmi? O'sha qora joylarda miyani rivojlanishi yaxshi emas.
So the brain should have been in this way. Okay.
Bosh miya bu tarafda ko'ryapsizmi? Xuddi shunaqa bo'lishi
But when
kerak.
you see this area of the brain,
Bu hududni ko'rsangiz qisqarib qolgan.
Okay, so when there was developmentally, there might be most probably decreased oxygenation or decreased sugars in his brain, and because of this part of the brain hasn't developed. Now what happens is this part of the brain, it sometimes irritates the brain. So he has those seizures. Okay, there is no medicines to improve this thing. This will slowly and slowly shrink about. But we need to control the seizures. That's what we need to do.
Bizda hozir bu narsa sodir bo'lishi kislorod yoki sahr yetishmasligini hisobiga bo'ladi bosh miyaga deyapti. Bu narsani bu qismi kichrayib davom etadi, lekin bu narsa uni atrofidagi hududlarga sudirgini paydo qilishga omil bo'ladi deyapti.
Okay. So what he needs is a good medicines, a good control of his seizures, and both the seizures, when it gets controlled, he would improve a lot. Second, he needs to be done, he needs a physio, occupational therapy, speech therapy. So the more we do those things along with the medications, it will improve all this. So it's not that he's not going to improve. He's going to improve, so we need to work on him.
Hozir bu yerda bizga yordam beradigan narsa dorilar bilan birga fizioterapiya va logoped, ya'ni nutq terapiyasi ham kerak bo'ladi. Bu masalan bu bola rivojlanmaydi yoki orqada qolaveradi degani emas, rivojlanadi, faqat biz buni ustida ishlashimiz kerak.
So this is what we need to do.
Bu biza qilishimiz kerak bo'lgan narsa faqat shu hozir.
So I'll write some medicines that will start on this, okay? So we'll stop the carbamazepine.
Carbamazepinni to'xtatamiz.
A little bit of better medications.
Undan yaxshiroq dorilar beramiz deyapti.
Yaxshi bo'lib ketamansiz.
Yaxshi bo'ladi, faqat birga ishlashimiz kerak dedi.
One we are giving a vitamin D is a very small bottles, so he has to take one bottle once in a week. Okay? And this will go for 12 weeks on a continuous basis.
Vitamin D ni suyuqlikcha bo'lar ekan, kichkina idishda haftasiga bir marta o'sha idishchani polni ichar ekan. Uni yozyapti. Bu bitta.
Second, I'm writing a medicine.
Gijjalar aloqasi yo'q.
Kecha?
Kecha ham bezovta qilyapti, kechaga ham ko'rsatdim.
They said there is a worm inside the abdomen. There will be like that. Kecha nima bo'ladi anaqada?
What did you say? A worm inside them.
There will be in children there will be worm.
Worms, yeah. No,
Worms.
but he's not having any of those things.
It's not there.
No, neither there is any trace of worms. Sometimes the worm small part or a cyst goes into your brain. So there's nothing like that. It doesn't have anything like that.
It doesn't have.
No.
Bu analizlardan u narsani alomati yo'q deyapti, u kecha borligi.
Mumkin deb kechaga ham davolatdim.
Yo'q, u narsani alomati yo'q deyapti bu analizlardan. Chunki bir xil paytda agar shunaqa narsa bo'lsa, bu yerda kistaga o'xshagan narsa ham paydo qiladi u miyada deyapti.
Bu kista
Qurtlar.
kandakchamiz.
Yo'q, u o'sha miyada o'sha paytda zararlanish deyapti-ku, zararlanish ikki xil bo'lishi mumkin. Kislorod yoki sahar miqdorini yetishmasligini hisobiga o'sha bir qismi zararlanadi. Hozir bu qisqarib qolgan joyi, zararlangan joyini biza qayta tiklay olmaymiz deyapti. Lekin bu atrofga sudurga alomat beryapti-ku, bu sababdan u narsani biza kontrol qila olamiz deyapti.
Okay. And we are going to write one medicine. There is a tablet with the name of Oxetol, and this Oxetol is 150 milligrams, which you will take morning and evening for 1 month, for 1 week, and then he will make it 300 milligrams. Okay. So I'm writing. What I will do is I will write the 300 milligrams. So we'll take half and half for 1 week,
Okay.
and then 1 tablet morning, 1 tablet in the evening. That will continue for 3-4 months on a continuous basis.
Hozir bitta dori yozib beryapti. Uni birinchi o'zi 50 milligram yozmoqchi edi, birdan 300 ligini yozaman deyapti. Chunki uni dozasini ko'paytirar ekansizda. Boshlanishida yarmida edi. Boshlanishda yarmini beramiz deyapti, keyin undan keyin dozani ko'paytirasiz. Uni ham yozib beradi.
This is what is needed.
Bora ishqib qolib ketadimikan? Yo faqat nazoratda.
Is it possible that seizure will stop in
Yes.
some certain point of?
When we give medicines, we try to control the seizures. When you control the seizures, what will happen is the chances of recurrence of seizures will go down. So that's why we are giving this medicine just to control those seizures.
Bu dorini berishimizdan maqsad sudurgini kontrol qilish, ya'ni sudurgi bo'lmasligi uchun. Qachon sudurgi bo'lmay to'xtagandan keyin deyapti, bu narsani qaytalanish ehtimoli shuncha kamayib boraveradi. Eng muhimi bu yerda sudurgini kontrol qilish.
I'm writing another medicine which has to be taken in the night time. I have written so that they can have the medicine with them. Suppose if he has more seizures, we can give these medicines once in a day. But if he doesn't have, we are not going to give this medicine. So that at least they will be there with them. So that if we need to start, we can start.
Hozir boyagi davomiy ichadigan doridan tashqari yana bitta yozdim deyapti. Agar mabodo sudurgi bo'lib qolsa deyapti, o'sha payt atrofida kechqurun bittadan berib borasiz buni deyapti. Agar sudurgi bo'lmaydigan bo'lsa, faqat bitta dori bilan davom ettiraverasiz deyapti.
Plus we will like that, after about 1.5 months, how the boy is going about, they can tell you, and then we can, if we need to modify, we can modify those medicines. But 99% with these medicines, things would settle, and once we take control of the seizures and we basically doesn't allow the next seizures to happen, all the things will be controlled.
Hozir xudo xolasa deyapti 99% bu dorilar bilan sudurgi bo'lmaydi deyapti. Bizning maqsadimiz shu sudurgini kontrol qilish. Qachonki sudurgi kontrolda ushlanganda, ya'ni sudurgi sodir bo'lmaganda, bu narsa keyingi qayta bo'lishi oldini oladi. Ya'ni bu narsani to'xtatib turadigan narsa.
Okay, so these are the things we need to do for it.
Is it like that if we take medicines for 3 years and none of the episodes will not happen, like medicine can be stopped, right?
But in him, because there is a small lesion in the brain, he might be a candidate who will need it not just for 3 years but for more than that,
For
like
more than that.
5 years or 6 years, then we can think about because he will have those lesions in the brain.
O'zi odatda ko'pchilik patsientlarda hozir so'rab oldimda shuni aytardi, 3 yil dorisini to'xtatmay ichsa, o'sha 3 yil davomida umuman sudurgi bermasa, dorini to'xtatsa bo'ladi. Lekin sizning holatingizda bu o'rtadagi bo'shliq bor-ku, anaqaga bo'sh rivojlanmagan joy, uni hisobiga deyapti, biz bu dorini 3 yilda emas, 5 yil, 6 yilgacha davom ettirishimiz kerak bo'ladi ichishni.
Boyagi yetishib bir
Ha,
boshlanish
ha.
chiqdi ekan.
Hozir bu dorilarni ichirib boshlaysiz-ku, bir oydan keyin balki ko'ramiz, zarurat bo'lsa dorini nima ko'rib chiqishimiz ham mumkin dozasini deyaptilar. Lekin 99% boya aytdi, bu dori shu dori bilan kontrolda bo'ladigan holat.
सर अगर सेम मेडिसिन होगा तो फिर थोड़ा सा
असर
टाइम बढ़ा
मैंने 6 months का डाल दिया है. You can just tell me about 1.5 months how is she going on,
Yes.
because if it will be fine then we might have to continue that for 1 or 2 weeks.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Yes.
Asorat qolmasa bo'ldi, chunki men shu muhitda boya
So there, if seizure episode doesn't happen, there will not be any further like going bad her situation. It doesn't. If it
What will
doesn't.
happen is, he's not going to go below this.
Huh.
Whatever he is going to improve from there. He's not going to go below
Go
this.
below.
That's
Okay.
fine.
Hozirgi holatimizda endi nima bo'ladi? Hozirgi holati bor-ku, bosdim. Bundan pastga tushmaydi holati, aniq, yomonlashmaydi deyapti. Hozir buni bersak, biza bu holatdan yuqoriga yaxshilanishga harakat qilish uchun bundan maqsad.
Shu narsani kallamdan o'zimda ham chiqarishim kerakda, chunki boya qaynimizni ko'rib
Because of her family's situation, that seizure episode happened, that husband's brother,
Yeah.
so that she is also stressed, like worried
No,
about
in him
this.
now there are two things. What it shows that it is because of this thing which is present in the brain, because it is corresponding to the EGC. Okay, so it is also coming from this area of the brain. So we are not expecting that it is going to cause us problem, and it would not be like his brother's seizures that is. It is different from that.
It is different. It's not like kind of genetic, or we cannot say this.
Because from EG and this, it is all coming from one area. So it looks more likely to be because of this.
Because
the
of this.
bleed that he had
Yes,
during
yes.
the time of the birth and after that, and it doesn't look like a charity.
Buni holati boshqa deyapti u qayningiznikidan. Nega? Chunki hozir o'tgan safar aytdik-ku, genetik bo'lishi mumkin dedi. O'sha narsaga siz o'ylab turgan bo'lsangiz kerak. Hozir analizdan nima xulosaga kelindi? Bu hududda bor-ku, bu narsa ta'sir qiladi. Uni atrofida o'sha sudirga alomatlarni berishiga. Keyin egi bilan taqqoslaydigan bo'lsak ham, egi ham aynan shu hududlarda ko'rsatyapti sudirga alomatlarini. Demak, bu katta ehtimol bilan faqat shu qon quyilganini hisobiga bo'layotgan narsa. Genetika emas. Agar genetika bo'lsa edi, bosh miyani boshqa qismidan ham bunaqa o'choqlar chiqib kelishi kerak edi.
boya dorilarni ichaversa keyin oyoqlari ham sudrab qolmaydi.
For the leg function, that weakness, they need to do physiotherapy.
Yes. So what happens? That's also because of that, because it's crossing the fiber and causing to the other side. That's why that's a weakness. But the more he works about, he moves about, does the exercises, even hands and the legs, it will improve.
Hozir oyoq qo'ldagi kuchsizlik asosan fizioterapiya bilan to'g'irlanadigan narsa deyapti. Buni yaxshilash mumkin deyapti. Chunki nima sodir bo'ladi? Mana bu o'rtadagi qisqarishi hisobiga uni devoridan chiqib ta'sir qiladi miyaga. Bu ta'sir qilganda deyapti, oyoq qo'lda masalan kuchsizlik bo'ladi. Buni hisobiga bo'lyapti. Bu narsani biz oyoq qo'lni kuchini yaxshilash uchun qiladigan bitta ishimiz fizioterapiya, masaj emas, mashqlar, jismoniy mashqlar.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Boshqa savolingiz yo'q?
Yo'q, kallamga kelmay qoldi.
So we'll just do this. I think it will improve with time. He's going to improve.
He can go back now.
Yeah,
They,
why not?
they can go back, right?
With the medicine for the next 6 months, I've written the medicine. This is the last one, as I told you. If you will have more seizures, then we'll be using. So we'll keep it with him. We'll start with these 3 medicines.
This one we
This
will
has to be
give.
taken after breakfast. This has to be taken after breakfast and dinner. So we'll start with half for 1 week
Half,
and then increase it.
then increase.
This is once a week for 12.
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you.
Hammasini tushuntirib ustilarga yozib beramiz o'zlariga inshaalloh. Dorini o'zingiz yozib olasiz, o'zingiz tushunasiz.